Welcome to another My Two Good Hands video. Hey, we're on the boat today. We have a little problem with this item. Yes, we've got a Norcold refrigerator, and you can see that this is the one we have. What's going on here is it just freezes everything. So the thermostat doesn't work. So what we did, bought a new thermostat kit off of Amazon. It comes pretty compact, and you can see what it is. It's exactly like the one that's in there. It does have a light, and the light does have a place to hook up a wire. And what we're hoping for here is we pull this, is going to come away, come out of here. This is a thermocouple in here, and this is fluid based, so it heats and cools a fluid. And then here it's got an adjustment. Our current one, we can't adjust for some reason. It doesn't click at the end, so we believe that this device in here has gone bad, so we're going to put this in. So let's show you the tools and what we got. We got a flashlight so we can see in there. We do have pliers for that, and it's one Phillips screwdriver. It has to be a long screwdriver, so we got a real long screwdriver. And of course, we got our new part, but we're going to try to see if we can get it out. Let me show you what we have inside here. Let's get some of the see how everything freezes up in there. I'm going to figure out how to get this out of here. But that's our controller right there. And you can see where that's at. And it doesn't light up when we open the door because we turned off the power. Now remember, on your fridges for your boat, that's going to be AC/DC. So you have to be sure everything is turned off. You have to turn off your 110 volt supply and also your 12 volt supply, so you may have to unhook your battery like we did. The battery switch is turned off, so we see that one screw way down there underneath there. We're going to try to get that out, then we're going to get it. It's going to be really hard to show you this while we work, but this is our plan and where we're at. Once we get this screw out, in the drawer there, we should be able to take that out. Oh, and it looks like we do get the good news is, if you can see in there, we do get a lot of wire here. You see we got a lot of wire for all the wires here. So the light, we need to make sure we put the light on the right way. You can look at this. It's got two brown wires, but looks like maybe we can't mix that up, so that's good. The other one, we can see the white wire is, you can see that without the light on, I guess. The light's in there, it gets hard to see. So you can see we've got the white wire here closest to the outside and the brown wire closest to the back. We've got to figure out how to get this out of these clips up in here. So we're letting it thaw out a little bit. I think we're getting to the point where we can figure out how to get this out, because we got a little piece up here. If you look up here, you got the thermocouple right here tucked in. We've got to dig that out. That thermocouple's right up in here, right up in there, so you can see where that's at. We got to dig this out. So we dig that out. We don't think we have to take these screws loose to get that out, but we're gonna try to make it go. So we can't show you this while we do it because we just can't. All of us can't get in here. So I'll take the camera out and work on it. So this would have been very difficult to show, but what we did was we got our screw back in. We've got our thermocouple. You can see it there, and we've got it tucked back up where it was in there. So now the matter of turning it on, we're going to start out here with this on 3, with the theory that it's not going to freeze stuff. Okay, it's got bad focus there. So you can see we put that on 3. We're going to go turn on the power, and you should see the And, you should see the light come on when I turn the power on. There you go. I'm going to go turn the power back on. Get out of here. You can see the light came on, and I don't know if you can hear it, but maybe you can hear it now with the mic down there. You can hear it running. I hold this button in, light goes off, light comes on, but we are running. So now we don't know how much we have to turn it down to get it to stop, but we can try turning this down. All the way on 1, still running. Here, when we turned it off, it stopped. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's not running when it's on 0, so that's good. I'm going to turn this back on. We're at 2.5. You can hear it running again. So don't forget to subscribe to my Two Good Hands. We got the fridge fixed, beats buying a $1,000 fridge. This kit, which was this, was about $35–40 on Amazon. I did have to use a needle nose pliers to get the connections off. Putting them on was easier. A light does help you. You really need to make sure you got a long screwdriver for that screw. So don't forget to like and subscribe, post notifications on. Don't miss another video here. We'll catch you on another how-to. Hey, we'll let you know if this works. It's running. And when you turn it all the way down, it stops. So we should be good. See you soon.